Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand video. Guys, if you want to get 10 signals daily free of course, then join my Telegram group, get the signals and print money. If you lose 1 cent, leave my group and don't follow. But one time must join my Telegram group because I will give you 100% accurate signal, and if you will win, definitely just give me a thanks on my win box, and if you are lost, leave my group, don't follow anymore. For trial must join. You can see here lever USDT, which you can see here of course break the trend line, and of course right now you can see here on the top resistance level, this is the most all-time highest position in the future history. Okay, so absolutely it will reach out and hit now, my brothers. As you can see here, 0.0 point, my brother, if you can see here 0.0032 and 761, which is the most highest resistance level. And of course this type of movement we will be see, my brother, in this type of altcoins, which you can see here again possibilities to turning point. But one thing more I want to add here, if you take a short position right now here, can it will safe or not, my brother? I will tell you, my brother. First of all, here if you take a short position right now, then this is the all-time highest position, so possibilities to it will give you a profit. Okay, but if it will not return and after confirmation you can't take a trade, then definitely if it will do a breakout, there is no resistance and highest level to, you can see it will be turned from here. So after that, my brothers, maybe they will give you a big loss. So be safe, my brother, or wait for my call on Telegram. So when I give you call after confirmation, then you take action and of course print money. Okay, see you next time, guys. Hope you enjoy video. Please like, subscribe, and join Telegram group for future trading signals.